Seguo.
Sì, sì. Sestri Levante?
Sì, Sestri Levante.
Va bene,
perfetto.
Primo sotterraneo.
Primo sotterraneo.
Oppure l'unico, vai.
Ok, grazie mille.
Primo sotterraneo. A destra.
A destra,
A
sì.
destra. No, primo sotterraneo, sì.
Ok. That's where I have to go, Sestri Levante. I am in Genoa, Italy, and I just arrived here. I have to breathe a bit because I was taking the train from Switzerland. Then I had to change it in Milano, and from there I went to Genoa, and the train had around 25 minutes of a delay. But also the good thing is that my train to Sestri Levante, where I have to go, has also 10 minutes delay, and so I made it to the rail platform. So I'm going southernwards to Sestri Levante because I will attend a language school there for 2 weeks for improving my Italian a bit. And Sestri Levante is located directly at the Mediterranean Sea, and it's nearby to Portofino and the Cinque Terre region. And so now I will take the train, go to Sestri, to the station, and there my guest mother will pick me up because I will stay at the home of a guest family. And I'm very curious, and I'm taking you with me on this tour. So there is not enough space for my big suitcase. I have to do it like that. Yes! I always do it like that in this type of train. So I've made it into the train, also thanks to the help of this very gentle elderly man. He was helping me to find the right platform and the right train. Very gentle. Look here, the Mediterranean Sea. I'm so excited to be here. Look how beautiful it is. Oh, it's so hot here, around 30 degrees. I'm melting. Now I have to go and find my guest mother. I found her car, but where is she? Angela?
Ciao. Nice to meet you.
Grazie. Piacere.
Piacere.
So this is my room. I'm still unpacking my suitcase, putting everything in order. And yeah, I have the luck to be in a very gentle and guest family. There's the guest mother, and she has 2 sons, and I'm sure that I will spend a very beautiful time here. Later on I also want to go and visit the town center for getting a first impression, also to have a look where my school is. My school is directly in front of the beach, and so that's perfect because I only have the school lessons in the morning, and then in the afternoon I have some spare time. I can go and relax there or visit other places. Then tonight I also have the pleasure to meet one of my friends, and yeah, to speak a bit in Italian. My Italian, as you may have noticed in some episodes, isn't that good, or not so good, and so I want to improve it. I already started today, and tomorrow it will be even more intensive with the school. The blue one is my bicycle, and she told me that there is a bike lane going to my school, and now I will try to follow this bike lane, that tomorrow I know where I have to go. After sweating a bit, I made it into the old city center. I think I didn't find the perfect bike lane track yet, but in the end I arrived after I think 15-20 minutes, so that's fine. Behind me there is the Baia delle Favole, so the fairy tale bay, and it got its name from the famous fairy tale writer Hans Christian Andersen, because he was staying here in 1833, and so they gave this bay his name. And on the other side, behind those houses, there is the Baia del Silenzio, so the Bay of Silence. And that's a good thing. You have on both sides the beach, and between there is the old city center, which I will go and discover now, especially also for having a look where my school is. So my guest mother told me that somewhere here it has to be, in this street. This is my school, in which I will go from tomorrow on, Monday to Friday, for improving my Italian. And tomorrow I already have to be here at 8:15 o'clock, because there are the tests for defining my speaking level, for putting me into the right class that I can improve from my level on the best way. And the best thing is that when school is out, I can straightly walk out of this door and go over to the Baia del Silenzio, the Bay of Silence. Look how beautiful this beach is. There couldn't be a better reward after a morning inside the school building than that. That's it from my first day here in Sestri. Sestri is such a beautiful place. It's very little and charming, but that's exactly what I wanted, that I go into a little place, because I want to focus on improving my language, and that's perfect here. Now I will go back to my apartment for preparing myself, because after I will go out with a friend. There I will not take the camera with me. We see each other tomorrow in the early morning. I have to get up very, very early.